What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport, and boy do I have an exciting video for you guys. I am unveiling the three-piece rims that I picked up because I can't do any more videos until I show you guys, because in the new video it's going to be showing those rims. I had to put them on in order to get the proper fitment, so I figured let me pull off the body kit and let me show you guys these rims because they are amazing. Now, I picked these up off of eBay and they were actually located locally. So I drove down and picked them up. These are Heritage three-piece rims. They are 11 inches wide. They're square, so you can see they're sticking out in the front. So we're gonna have to make a front body kit as well. And this is why I've been hesitant to show these rims, but I know I'm gonna have to show you guys the rims while working on this in order to get the proper fitment. So what I did was I went ahead and pulled off the body kit that I've been working on for this next video that's coming out, and I wanted to show you guys these rims. Now these are 19 by 11 squared, like I said, and they have a positive 15 offset. And these have a custom gold finish on the front. The guy who sold me the rims said that was a $450 option. So I could not be more excited for these rims. And look how they look from the back here. They are very wide. I've got the 1.5 inch spacer on the rear and no spacer on the front. You can see how much they stick out in the front. So we've got some work to do up in the front because the wheels do hit when you turn, but they're only hitting on the plastic covering up in the wheel arch. So I'm not too concerned. I think we can cut that out. Mainly the thing I was worried about was, are they going to hit control arms, etc., and they're not. So we're in really good shape there. So this is going to be an amazing looking rim on this car. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to show you guys with the body kit. That'll be coming out on the next episode. You guys will get to see most of the body kit done for the rear, and you'll get to see these rims on there. So take care, guys. Once again, my name's Pete. This is Pete's Carport. You guys have an awesome day, a blessed week, and look for that next video coming out very soon.